Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, date July 22, 2024. So before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI membership of Basel and certification ISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security market subject to market risk and read all the related documents carefully before investing.
लेट की स्टार्ट किया देख रहा 8:70 से आई वाला 8:50
Let's start with Nifty chart analysis. If we talk about Friday's session, you can see there was a big downside reversal from the day's top, and market fell by more than 1%. And as you can see in the last couple of days, Thursday and Friday session, volatility has started to kick in along with volumes. Currently, distribution day count is at 2, and we are comfortably trading above key moving averages. But as we all know, tomorrow the budget will be announced, and there will be and some kind of volatility is expected going forward. So if Nifty breaches its key moving averages such as 21 DMA or 50 DMA and distribution day count increases, market will go from a confirmed uptrend to uptrend under pressure. But as we all know, if in this new government regime, if overall if we see certain sectoral policies continuing, certain key policies continuing, which have been continuing for the last 10 years, then there is good hope that there can be some good rally going forward. But we will at MarketSmith India or at William O'Neill India, we will be dependent on data. Hence, going forward as well, data will remain important to us. So, if whatever the market is signaling, we will take it that way, and rather than predicting stories, we will depend on the data provided by market. So overall, till the point in time, Nifty is able to hold the 21 DMA and distribution day count continue to remain low, it will not be a major problem. So talking about key news, over the weekend, major private banks came out with their results, and that has been the norm. And most of them were able to beat the beat estimates either on the overall front or at least on the PAT front. So HDFC Bank came up with its Q1 FY25 result and which beat the estimates. NI grew by 2.6% QOQ, 29,837.1 crores. PAT was down 2% QOQ to 16,1675 crores. Gross NPA expanded or worsened by 9 bips QOQ to 1.33%. And NPA got worsened by 6 bips to 0.39%. Even RBL announced its result, and the result was a beat on the estimates. NI increased 19.5% YOY. PAT increased 29% YOY. Gross NPA expanded or worsened by 4 bips QOQ 2.69%. And NPA remained flat at 0.74%. Anant Cloud signed an MOU with Google LLC for data centers infrastructure, DC managed services and cloud platform for various public and private enterprises. Both companies will collaborate closely to assist customers in developing purpose-built AI-infused solution for data infrastructure, security, and productivity. Even Yes Bank has been posting good results, and the Q1 FY25 NI grew 20.2% YOY, PAT increased 47% YOY. Gross NPA remained flat QOQ 1.7%, and NPA improved 10 bips QOQ to 0.5% on Kotak Bank's result. The PAT beat estimates. NI grew 9.8% YOY. PAT increased 81% YOY. Gross NPA remained flat QOQ, and NPA remained flat QOQ. Results that are expected are today are IDBI Bank, Supreme Industries, Coforge, Dodla Dairy, Greenlam Industries, Polymedicure, UCO Bank, among others. So all the three US indices closed higher on Friday, but over the weekend, as you know, the current US president, from on the Democratic side, that is Joe Biden, will not be contesting in the upcoming elections. So, I mean, that volatility was not captured as it was announced over the weekend. And going forward, there is expected to be some volatility, I mean, because of the US elections as well and the global equity markets as well. So on the Asian front, all the three indices are trading lower. Kospi trading lower by 1.2%, Nikkei trading lower by 1.2%, Shanghai trading lower by 0.7%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a negative opening. Friday's close around 530 levels is indicating a gap down opening of around 120 points at this moment. Uh, so the chart of the day for us, Electrosteel Casting, it is forming a stage one cup base at this moment. As you can see, the stock is 3% to pivot. Overall ratings are very good for the stock, as you can see. Master score at 80, EPS strength at 86, 72 price strength at 86, and buyer demand is also decent at B. Fund holding has been increasing quarter on quarter, which is a good sign. Last three quarter results have been accelerating and very good for the stock. Overall, the past trend for the stock has been high. It's been consolidating for around more than 6 months now, as you can see. But if you look at the right-hand side of the base, RS line is moving higher along with a good sign of accumulation. So apart from, I mean, tomorrow there is expected to be some kind of volatility, but apart from that, if it is able to break out on above average volumes and stay in the ideal buy zone, and if there is good volumes, then definitely can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Pre-Well with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp.